Husband and wife. Husband and wife. Pussy what they are for your wife. They are in your yard. Where you go cook for him?
I can't go cook.
Curry go, right you? Yeah. And the pussy no one own you. How for man?
Mine.
A fear?
Yeah.
Sound to Rose.
Rose, what are you?
Kill this man in Jamaica people. I just know what I want. Someone up on the bicycle, man. Yo. Watch your man. Watch your man.
Up down there. Up down there.
Kill this man in Jamaica.
He can't go there with
Kill this man in Jamaica.
Come on, fight.
Kill this man in Jamaica.
Anytime you see you, can't hear me because that's Turkey. And you see you man then take care and rub that piece of fat party. Right up where you don't party.
In the fire, in the fire, in the fire, in the
No,
fire.
I'm here to need the fire.
In the fire.
TikTok star. And millions me make tonight up for that video, yeah. Maybe easy. Have your panda, brother girl.
No, in the fire, in the touch another time.
Whoa, brother Kirky, man. Easy, no, man. Come here, gangster, you know. When me say gangster, me
How is squirting? Go her up on you.
You work underneath the little part there.
Underneath this, so?
Yeah, right.
What you
right down
go use? What you use?
My hood, man. And you easy out and make breeze blow up and it can down and you hood. And you go back again. You see when him a go, let off his skirt. You see him want rub it, you say let it go, girl, off for me. You have your under there, have your under there. Hey, one piece of water bust out like a real pipe, you know.
You know about it.
You know again. Right and right tongue part, you know. No, should be done hole, you know.
I clicked in here, sugar.
A glit. Right, one woman at them about the glit. But you have your under there. And you have your under there, you know, full way. And dry your the condom again and make breeze blow up and make it off. I walk it. Yo, you see what water spit out. You say, Bumbo clad girl, you piss for me. No, no, it is that. It's red, but it's red. It's like a sweet water. You know, sweet corn. I like that. When you're dead, you have me pum pum, and you get a rubbing hand in your head. And a rubbing hand in.
So you know me pussy, sugar?
No, me
so
not
you tell the man
you.
go?
No.
You're too tight.
Easy. Anytime you join me, I want a crown. That's simply say me have a crown. Me have pum pum. Yo! You see next one? Mark X. That's simply say X. Me text. Me. For eating the pum pum. Hey, me eat, you know. Pum pum I want sweet.
You know saying me already sugar like
one time for my finger. We don't try that again. But the girl then I was just so slow. Hey, you are out lah. You are easy. Me not eat it. Can me eat it now? Eat it. I lick it, right and I eat.
Alright.
Yeah. But now make it sweet water spit out by you, you know.
You eat the arrow,
Eat it. Eat it. That's what we say. Anything we eat, the belly have to full. Not too bad at all. Hey, share 2 kilo rum, man. Hey, no, the table is full of a flask. Not too bad at all. One go for you know. Eat it, then you know.
Oh, remember say fire no man love this in there now.
What you mean? Hey, send young one from fire and give me. No, you're not suck no pum for me now. You're leaky. Me? No. I don't mean no. Why not?
No, brother.
Hey, me brother. All talk you take what me have. And leaky pussy and have what you have. What you don't do?
Maybe stay with myself.
You know what?
You know say sugar when you have a pussy.
Yeah, me
Sugar
say,
with
I
me.
want a crown.
No.
Make you want fire no man.
Hey, me not in a batty business, you know. Cause I run out of garden with
Worse than that.
Yeah, well, we are talking about. Yeah, we are talking about licking. Cause we are then say,
Move your blood clot, cause other day you say any hole a hole. You lie your fuck. Other day you say any hole a hole. Any hole a go in there. Lie your fuck.
Any hole. Hey, mommy.
Deportees.
Morning.
Good afternoon or good evening or good night. Deportee, I want to talk to. Deportees. All I want to know Donald Trump has sent back to Jamaica. We welcome you, remember me tell you. But guess what? I know say when they are foreign, when they are foreign, I don't feel so on brain big and free, little Jamaican, we never travel. But me I want you know. Don't come and come use on brain and go on like on brain big and free. Because you know we dead. Next thing again. We know we can dead to you know, but we not make no blood clot kill we before we murder someone, you know. Next thing, use on the brain, use the knowledge you want to get a foreign wisely when you come to Jamaica. Some simple things where when you see a foreign, we can work at Jamaica, if we uplift Jamaica and uplift on the pocket, do it. Nobody come here and try rob we, you know. Nobody try come here and come try grow on the system, you know, because you say I want to force. As we hear when you start talking spooky, because when you can't blood clot chat Jamaican good again. As you go for 2 weeks, when you speak bumbo clot spooky. When you speak spooky, so as you speak, we know say this is one of them, you know, I want to deport this pussy hole here, you know. We know. Because we are not tourists. So, who did the on farm work and run off? The little knowledge where you get from the bumbo clot farm work program. Come back to Jamaica, come build one little greenhouse. Grow some ganja and grow some tomato. Grow some sweet pepper. You know, bumbo clot sweet pepper expensive around here. The little knowledge you want to get over there. I grow cucumber. Cucumber can come grow cucumber. And no fuck around. All I hold it there in a computer world and where. Only for Jamaican computer illiterate. So they need help with editing and some things. So we have job. Get lower at Jamaica. You know, give me no excuse, you know. I make me catch you know, rob me farm, you know. I thief me cow, you know. Because me and my neighbor sharpen the bumbo clot machete them and the spear gun. And the other one then hide up. Now ramp with me. Okay, and hide up. Oh, but I take this like say a while up, you know. But you don't need to get while up. Because who in there foreign a bumbo clot do that Donald Trump can just come creep on up and send on home. You know they are foreign like you know comfortable. Donald Trump send on them bumbo clot because we need them brain power. And all who feel like so they can come here come involved in a criminality. You know, dead like bumbo clot, bun man and thick man. You hear pussy? So you come home with the intention to work. Don't come home with the intention to lurks or use your brain like your brain bigger than anybody else around here. Because we have on up and watch like community watch, yeah? Careful.